Machine learning is a very important topic and important to understand in context of Open RAN. It is the study which gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. As a human being, as we learn from our experience, same way the machine can also learn, but they need a right set of data for that. So there is no prior programming needs to be done to make machine more intelligent, but by just giving the right data, they can make some correlation between the data, and on that experience, based on those different experience, it can perform any new task and give the output for any new input. So we'll take one example. Say we want to just make a correlation between the throughput and the quality of signal. We gathered some information from the existing network, and say for example the intelligent controllers are extracting some data from the network related to the throughput and quality of signal. This data is then fed into the machine, and machine will see that how the input, which is the quality of signal, and how the output, which is throughput, are both correlated to each other. That is also known as a machine learning model, and we'll talk about that in the next slide. But now, as it makes a correlation between the input and the output, it is easy for the machine to calculate the output for any new input. So if we give any new input as a quality of signal, it will estimate and predict the throughput for that new inputs of quality of signal. That's how the machine learns, and which is also known as a machine learning. So we have here some experience, which is the data fed into the system or into the machine, and there was a task to calculate the throughput with some given input of a signal quality. It comes up with certain kind of outcome where P is the probability that machine or the computer program has evaluated the throughput accurately for any new given input related to the quality of signal. The prerequisite is the accurate data here and the sufficient data. We'll touch base upon the machine learning model in the next slide.